Hello friends, welcome to Vamshita. We all know how fearful was yesterday's incident that happened in Bandra. We all know a stranger entered into the Saif Ali Khan's house. He stabbed Saif Ali Khan with a knife 6 times and wounded him deeply. Just after the incident, he escaped from there. The Saif Ali Khan later moved to the Lilavati hospital nearby. It was in 2 kilometers nearby. So after that, he got treatment. He is safe now. He got surgery also done. Now he is safe. Now within just few hours he will move to the normal ward, I think. So the question here is, how did this person entered the house of Saif Ali Khan? Not he entered through the gate, nor he caught in the CCTV footages, but how did this person enter? Did the staff staying there supported that person? So even the police are investigating it differently in different ways. They formed different groups, 10 groups I think. So they are investigating it thoroughly, deeply. But the question here is, if celebrities itself are not safe in the Mumbai city, then who are? This is not the my question. This is the question asked by the opposition leader. I think the leader of Shiva Sena party there. So Priyanka Chaturvedi asked, if celebrities itself are not safe, then who are? Think about the normal people staying there, because recently we have found such incident in the Mumbai city. The attack on Baba Siddiqui by the gangsters. So what about that? Who are safe? So police said that it's not good to judge the city safe or unsafe just based on the 2 or 3 incidents. But let it be. What about the normal people if the celebrities itself are not safe? The opposition parties are criticizing it and questioning the government. So about the law and order to secure the city. So it's their duty to look after to not happen such incidents. Next, if we go to the incident, this person entered to the 11th or 12th floor of the building at just 2 o'clock midnight. So he enters into the 12th floor. He enters into the room where the Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor kids were staying along with the caretakers. Here, the 2 caretakers were there in that room. One of the caretaker gets doubt and she looks at the room, looks near the room, I think. So that time she will get doubt. So who is standing there? She thinks maybe Kareena Kapoor had came to look kids. Maybe she will go. Later on, she gets doubt. Maybe something is wrong. She wakes up. She gets alert, and if she looks there, she gets to know someone is standing there with knife and one stick. Later on, she alerted. She makes everyone alert. So that time, kids scream loudly, "Help! Help!" like that. After that, that person tries to attack with the blade to this caretaker. On this caretaker, he will attack. That time she blocks him with the hand and she gets injured also. At that time, another caretaker will go to the Saif Ali Khan's room. She informs him and Kareena Kapoor. Later on, they move to the 12th floor. After that, they come to know, the Saif Ali Khan will ask him why did he came there, what he wants, what he need. The before the coming itself, he demanded the caretaker 1 crore rupees. Later on, some words exchanged between the Saif Ali Khan and the burglar who came there. So maybe whoever the father it is. So if their children are in room and some person is standing with knife inside and they're out, they will get fear, right? So he, as a father, he did his duty. He tried to exchange the words. He tried to convince him, and later he tried to have fight with him. So that time he stabbed with knife 6 times into the Saif Ali Khan's body and escaped from that place. Later on, he was taken to the Lilavati hospital. This is what that incident happened there. So he demanded 1 crore rupees, but he didn't caught to any CCTV footages, or he not entered through the gate. But he might know the way to get entered into that house. So this is what the incident happened. So the question here is, it's the law and order duty to look after the Mumbai city safely from now, because recently we are seeing such incidents happening. If the celebrities itself are not safe, then who is really a question to ask. So this is what the story happened there. So please subscribe to our channel. We will bring you the interesting stories like this further. So please watch the full video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.